Hello students, this is your 10 lecture of social studies, unit number 1, lesson number 2 over country. In lecture number 9, we done first half reading of lesson number 2 and today we do next half reading of lesson number 2. Now we start reading. Open your page number 12. Sindh. The provincial capital of Sindh is Karachi. It is the largest city and port of Pakistan. Sindhi is the main language spoken in this province. The landscape of Sindh consists of lower Indus plain, the third desert and open your next page, page number 13. The Indus Delta. The Indus Delta to the south of Karachi flows into the Arabian Sea. The coastline with sandy beaches, little bays and inlets is a popular place for relaxing. Trees like kikar, mulberry and shisha grow in Sindh. There are also some coastal forests called mangroves which are rich in marine life. Sindh has the largest mango and banana farms in Pakistan. It grows wheat, rice, cotton and sugar cane. Biryani, palla fish and bhaji are the traditional dishes of Sindh. These are the traditional dishes of Sindh. Now open your next page, page number 14. Balochistan. The capital of Balochistan is Quetta, which is also its largest city. It has an extremely dry desert climate. There is very little vegetation. However, fruit trees like apple, peach, grape, cherry, almond, pomegranate, and plums grow very well in some areas. Juniper, alpine, and coniferous forests grow here. It has vast natural resources, especially natural gas, which is supplied to the rest of the country. The newly developed Gwadar port, which is a significant part of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor (CPEC), is in the south of Balochistan. Quaid-e-Azam spent the last days of his life in his residence in Ziyarat, Balochistan. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is the third most populated province of Pakistan. Peshawar is its capital city. The people speak many different languages including Pashto, Hazara, Chitrali, Hinduko and Kohistani. It has dense alpine and coniferous forests. Fruits such as apple and apricot and nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts and pine nuts grow here. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has many famous tourist destinations such as the town of Naran, the valley of Kagan and Kalam, Shahandur Pass and the sky resort of Malam Chabba. It has a wealth of natural resources such as marble and precious stones. It has very little agricultural land but next page, page number 15. Maize, millet, barley, rice, sugar cane and tobacco are grown here. The traditional cuisine is chapli kebab. Kathak dance and Atan are the traditional folk dances of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The shrines of Rehman Baba and Hazrat Khwaja Kaka Sahib are in this province. The traditional sport is Makka archery. Peshawari chappals and the Pakhol crabs are distinguishing items of the province's traditional clothing. Now your lecture is over.